afternoon, grade 8. So I hope you had a blessed Easter weekend. Ek hoop julle het lekker gerus en julle het 'n geseënde Paasnaweek gehad. Ons is terug met algebra en vandag doen ons die vertaling van woorde na wiskunde woorde, algebraïse uitdrukkings. The translating of words into algebraic expressions. Grade 8, you've got to listen very carefully today because I'm going to read you a scenario and you've got to give me the algebraic expression that I've just read. Graad 8, luister baie mooi. Juffrou gaan vir julle 'n uitdrukking lees en julle moet dit vir my vertaal in wiskunde taal. So the first thing, I'm going to give it in English and in Afrikaans. Listen carefully. The sum of a certain number and 3. Die som van 'n sekere getal en 3. Let's name that number 1. A certain number in maths is a number that's unknown. 'n Sekere getal is 'n getal wat onbekend is. En in wiskunde skryf ons 'n getal wat ons nie weet wat hy is nie as 'n letter van die alfabet. So let's use X in this exercise. So, the sum of a certain number and 3. Sum of, die som van is plus en 3. There you are. I've translated words into an algebraic language. Next one. A certain number increased by 5. 'n Sekere getal vermeerder met 5. Vermeerder in wiskunde is plus. Increase is addition. 2 meer as 'n sekere getal. Listen carefully. 2 more than a certain number. There's a certain number and 2 more is addition. Ek sal 2 bysit. 2 meer. Let's listen carefully. Number 4. The difference between a certain number and 6. Die verskil tussen 'n sekere getal en 6. Again, a certain number, difference, verskil is minus. There you are. Easy. Listen carefully. A certain number decreased by 8. 'n sekere getal verminder met 8. 'n sekere getal, a certain number, decreased, minus, verminder, by 8. Next one. The product of a certain number and 7. Die produk van 'n sekere getal en 7. So, a certain number, product is multiplication, product is vermenigvuldiging, and by 7, and that you can rewrite as 7x. We can simplify that. Goed, volgende een. 9 less than a certain number. 9 less than a certain number. 9 minder as 'n sekere getal. Baie maklik. Twice a certain number. 2 maal 'n sekere getal. 2 maal, ek skryf presies wat ek sê. And that can be simplified as 2x. Easy peasy. 4 more than 3 times a certain number. 4 more than 3 times a certain number. Let's write down. 4 meer as 3 maal 'n sekere getal. 3 maal 'n sekere getal plus 4. 3 times a certain number plus 4. I can simplify it to 3x plus 4. Good. The number obtained if it exceeds a certain number by 12. Die getal wat ek verkry as dit meer is as 'n sekere getal met 12. So the number obtained if it exceeds a certain number by 12. Don't know what the number is, but it exceeds that number by 12. Exceeds is addition. Meer as is plus. The result if the sum of a certain number and 5 is multiplied by 6. So I need to have the sum of a certain number and 5, and then after that I've got to multiply it by 6. Ons moet nou mooi luister. Die antwoord as ek 'n sekere getal tel by 5 en daarna maal met 6. So ek het nodig dat ek eers 'n sekere getal met 5 plus en daarna gaan ek dit vermenigvuldig met 6. So I first got to do this, and because I've got to do that first, omdat ek dit eers moet doen, moet ek dit in hakkies sit. En daarna gaan ek dit maal met 6. After that, I'm going to multiply it by 6. So I can rewrite it as 6 times x plus 4. Hoekom kan ek dit so oorskryf? Want as gevolg van my rangorde van bewerking word hakkies gelukkig eers gedoen. So ek het presies gedoen wat vir my gevra is. Ek het eers die 2 opgetel en daarna gemaal met 6. Because of the order of precedence, I do my brackets first and thereafter I multiply it with 6, exactly as I've instructed. The quotient when a certain number is divided by 6, nou by 7. Die quotient as 'n sekere getal gedeel word met 7. Onthou, die woord quotient is die antwoord van 'n deelsom. So as ek 'n sekere getal deel met 7. Certain number divided by 7 gives me that quotient. And the last one, the square of the product of x and y. Let's get the product of x and y. Die vierkant van die produk van x en y. The product of x and y is going to be x times y, and after that I'm going to square it. Die produk van x maal y, en daarna gaan ek dit kwadreer. So I can rewrite that simpler, x, y, in brackets, square. Then I do the multiplication first, and the squaring after that. Die vermenigvuldiging eerste en daarna die kwadrering. Dit is dan graad 8, hoe ek woorde in wiskunde gaan skryf. How I write words into math language. Go and practice that. See you tomorrow.